Hey guys, thanks for tuning in with Elevate with Shantae. Today's video, we are currently downtown and we are gonna do a taste test of the food trucks. And I'm excited, I cannot wait because I really don't eat off food trucks like that, but I don't know, they just look interesting to try. And I believe in supporting people's hustle because I'm a business owner myself and I would want somebody to support me. So we downtown and supporting on this side. So then this is what I got on. I got some makeup on my sports bra, but then I got on my activewear. I got some more activewear, but I love putting on these pants because I like how they make my butt and my hips look because I work out all the time. And yeah, I just want to show it off. Flaunt it. You got it, girl. Flaunt it. But yeah, we are currently downtown vlogging, and yeah, we're about to do these food trucks. So yeah, wish us luck. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic, blessed day. But yeah. All right, so I seen this one. Then it's supposed to be some more on the other side. Damn, I don't even know what I'm gonna get. We was driving and I was just like, hey, there's food trucks. Being greedy. And I was just like, hey, let's try them. These are like, people usually come to food trucks after they go out or whatever like that. Man, where did we see the other ones at? It's like some more food trucks. Oh, they're on the other side, but yeah, we wanted to try this. I don't know, it's my... Alright, so it's a little warm. So that's why my lighting is, well, not warm, excuse me, it's warm, but it's bright. So that's why my phone light is like a little dim. But here's our first stop, Tacoholic food truck. So this is like Spanish food, tacos and stuff. So let's go ahead and this is what it is right here. This is what we're trying. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna get. No. Let's see, chicken or beef. I think I want to do it like a sample because I want to go to another one because I want to be greedy. Let's see. We got Bob's Crunchy Tacos. Oh damn, I didn't get my cash. You getting something? Make sure you bring your active watch for active wear if you have one. Let's see. What do I want? Man, them fries look good. Let's see. Noisy downtown. I want to try. Water flour. Can I try a chicken taco?
What?
Yeah.
Flour corn or crunchy?
Let's see. I'll do the crunchy one.
That's it?
And let's see, what else did I say? Yeah, that's it.
$3.97.
Oh shoot. Cheekbones are giving highness today. Alright.
Everything?
Yeah, thank you. Some other ones I want to try. So I'm just getting a sample from this one. walking in stomach realness. For sure. Not just playing. I'm definitely gonna work out today, but I'm hot. I'm sweating and shit. Excuse me and stuff. Excuse my French. I'm sweating and stuff. So I want to either do another water relaxation later on, or I'll probably just work out. 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna work out or do both. I just never know. I go with the flow. Is it ready?
You want plastic one? No, it's not.
Oh no, it's okay. Thank you. Gracias. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Your typical chicken taco. Alright, let's see. I'm not about to eat it now. Let's go to the next one. Okay, that's my truck.
It's over here.
No, it's over this time. So I'm going to the next 2 food trucks. I want to taste test my food trucks. Yeah, it's getting real out here. Make sure you eat your vegetables and work out.
Wow, you really was
Alright,
looking
so I love to travel. I love to do water sports. I love creativity, and I love vlogging. That's who I am. Sorry. Find yourself. It's 2022. Be you. Sincerely, SW. That's me. Alright. So we gotta cross. And y'all, I'm vlogging from my phone. So y'all see me do this to get a whole like, oh wait, if you can see it. Don't laugh at me because I'm vlogging from my phone. I have an iPhone. But I'm out here, I'm downtown today. I was just like, hey, I see food trucks. Why not taste test and like walk and vlog? I love uploading content. It's gonna be a lot more content coming. And yeah, I just want y'all to stay tuned because this is where it's at. For real, on the real. Alright, so the next one looks like, it's called Moonfrog. Bowls. Oh, avocado chicken. Beef. They have like bowls and stuff. Gosh, cheese and fries, sweet plantains, rice and beans. Oh, these are like bowls.
Hello.
Hi. Ah, that's what's going on. Let's see, what's our red bus? Ooh, boy, avocado chicken. Beef, vegetarian. Fries. What kind of food is this? This is where we're at now. It's called Moonfrog. Open my video. But yeah, I'm not sure. This is the menu here. But yeah, this is the menu. I've never been here before, so I don't even know what to get. I'm taste testing. Beef, bowl, shredded beef, black beans, sweet plantains, and fried slices. Latin. Oh, it's kind of like, okay, I get it. It's like a vegetarian Latin truck. Oh, okay. So let's see. I want to try so frito. Ooh, those are pretty good. Ooh, okay. Grilled cornmeal patty sandwich. I want to switch that with the other one. really know what I want. Alright, excuse me. I'm kind of getting like Swedish food again. Alright, so I'm gonna try a bowl. And someone for lime rice. Black beans. Oh, thank you. Here's the menu. Okay, this is better. Oh, this is the menu. I'm like struggling. Well, not really, but the menu is better. The menu. Then this is hard. Oh, that sounds good. Beef machata. Can I try the? I want to get the beef machata.
Beef machada arepa.
Yeah, see.
Anything else?
That doesn't come with beans, right?
That coming with beef and cheese.
No beans.
No beef.
Yeah.
No, it's beef and cheese.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the beef?
Yeah.
I thought it said no beans.
No beans?
Yeah. Not the beef. I want the beef, but no beans. Does it come with beans?
No. That
Okay.
coming with beans.
Okay, yeah, I'll get that.
Alright. Do you want anything to drink?
No. I still got my water in the car. Ooh, it's a hot one today. It's all work out. I'm cute. And my arms sweating and everything. It's real out here today. Jesus.
Ready for the outside?
Okay. I'm starting my chip.
In a few minutes it's ready for you.
Okay, gracias. I always leave a tip, just in case you didn't know. Doesn't matter how much you tip, but just leave one. No tag. Email. I'm difficult. I need all my records, all my stuff, where I can see it. That's enough. Putting my stuff back in my card. I can't wait to eat this food. I love Spanish food. I always get the same stuff, like fajitas, rice. I don't like beans, but yeah. But I love rice, the fajitas, the tacos. I like all that stuff. The carne, the arroz con pollo. So yeah, I like all that stuff, but I don't like beans. But you can get protein in a lot of different stuff. I get protein from my yogurt that y'all see me eating. I get a lot of protein from my yogurt. I love to eat yogurt. It's good bacteria for the vajayjay down there. But yeah, I start work back Monday. I've been off for a month. I got laid off, to be honest, from my last job. So I am currently, by the grace of God, starting a new job on Monday because I'm just that person. Like, my resume speaks volumes. A lot of clinical skills, front office skills, cashier, restaurant experience, retail, all that. So it's good to move. I'm a hustler. I like money. Always been like that. I was raised like that. My mom's a single mom. Yeah. When we grew up, she's a military vet, Coast Guard vet. So yeah, it was like you need to get up and get a job, or you're gonna do something. You're gonna cut the grass, you're gonna wash the dishes, cook the dinner. Like, yeah, I did all that stuff. So it took me a while to come out my social bubble because I was always so closed in growing up, but eventually I broke out of it. So yeah, you gotta get to it, y'all. Unfortunately, you can't live off the government forever. That's not a recommendation. I've been on food stamps and I was like 20, 21, a long time ago, because I had to do what I had to do, but to get to where I was going. But it's not something that you want to relax on. It's not something that you want to rest on and be comfortable with, because at the end of the day, only you can make your money. Like, it's good, people, God blesses you and put people in your life at certain times, but you got to know how to get your own money. It's a sad, cold world, but unfortunately, we got to live in it. So it's the ways of life. It's the game of life. The truth. Back is sweating. I love the heat. Oh my gosh, I love the heat. But it's really warm today. Don't forget about love. My butt is banging in these pants. I wish y'all can too. It's really banging. Just waiting for my food. To go. Yeah. Alright, so that's plate number 2. Oh wait, let me show y'all what it look like. Let me show y'all. It's a machada, a beef machada. Oh, that looks pretty good. No, it's a beef machada. Alright, let's roll. Alright, y'all. So can you hold my food for a sec? For just a minute. Not just playing. But alright, so the last food truck we coming up on, and this is pretty good for all my donut lovers. There is something called the Local Mini Donut. Oh my gosh, this is pretty cute. The local, let me back up so y'all can see. Local Mini Donut food truck, and this is the menu. Oh my gosh, they got all these different types of donuts and stuff. But I'm not even sure on which one I'm gonna get. You gonna try one? It's a donut. Yeah. Oh, I don't drink coffee though, so I'm not the typical your coffee and donut girl. I just like them plain straight up donuts. Oh Jesus, they have a lot of good ones. They got, let's see, Boston cream, blueberry cheesecake cookies and cream, fruity pebbles, Reese's cups, cinnamon toast crunch, Homer Simpson Reese's pieces, gummy bear maple bacon, almond joy, cotton candy, Samoa, all that stuff. Jesus. I think I'm gonna do, I might get more than one. Oh wait, yeah. So $6 for a 4-pack, 2 flavors. I want to try more than one. So I want to try the blueberry cheesecake. And this is kind of like a cheat day until I have to work out later on in the day. A cheat moment, excuse me. A cheat moment. Thank you. I'm being fat today, pigging out. I'm not really being fat. I'm not fat. I'm just getting what I want, basically. Getting what I want because it's like, I like sweets sometimes, but I've been eating vegetables healthy for a while, so I was barely eating sweets. But I have to put some kind of sugar intake into my system here. So I think I want to go with the blueberry cheesecake. That sounds good. I had in there about the all chocolate Carbon Smart little ice cream things. Like, who do I think I'm fooling? Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the blueberry. I'm gonna try the blueberry cheesecake and blueberry cheesecake. Don't look at me like that. Like, you know damn well you have no business eating this. It's okay, people. It's okay. Live a little. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do, and I said this, I don't know. What's the second flavor? Ooh, I think I'm gonna do blueberry cheesecake and then the Homer Simpson. Ooh, that sounds good. Apple Watch better die. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get. The blueberry cheesecake and then the Homer Simpson. Oh no. This is called the mini donut. This is so cute. I like it. It's okay. So I know, yeah, the food trucks are always downtown. But these are like, when I lived in another state, we would like go to food trucks after the strips of the bar and stuff. And like, they will have a lot of food trucks out here. Oh my gosh. You couldn't have out there.
Let's check her car.
Oh, not a problem. Go ahead.
Right next door. So.
Okay. But yeah. So, yeah. But food trucks be popping town. I don't really go to them all the time though, but I just wanted to show my support today because I support businesses. Because I want people to support mine. Excuse me, support my business.
Yeah.
Okay, so did you want to get your separate one, or because I don't think I want to share. I want to do the blueberry cheesecake and then the Homer Simpson.
So do you want to do a 4-pack 2 and 2?
Yeah.
Okay. So a Homer Simpson.
And blueberry cheesecake.
Sure. And for you, sir?
So
You know what he
just
wants.
one blueberry cheesecake will be fine.
Well, you get 4 in the pack.
I was about to say, eat one of mine. Like he was going to do anyway.
Okay.
We'll just go with that
that'll
one.
be fine.
The lemon blueberry is good too.
Well,
I don't
I'll
know.
just try the blueberry.
Okay,
been a
so do you want me to
little
do 2 Homers and 2 blueberry cheesecake?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. It's going to be $6.45. What's your name, Lynn?
Shantae. Shante. You need my last name?
No, just,
Okay.
just,
Just making sure.
We're just so used to doing that because we call out your name.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I love their card system. Huh? Oh no, it's towards me. I'm a YouTuber. No, I don't film without consent.
Where are you from?
I'm from Virginia, but I moved here last year.
Oh,
Yeah.
are you like a foodie?
Not typically, no, but I do like to eat good food.
I didn't know because there's people that go all around and they try everything and then some videos, you know.
Oh yeah, well that's kind of what I just did with the food trucks. But I like to eat good food, but I'm not a foodie. So, oh, somebody disagrees. Don't forget to leave a tip. Even if you don't like it, just leave a tip if you can. It's the nice thing to do. Damn, they even got my information in the system from the other one. That's what I'm talking about. Wait, already got it in the system. I'm already in the system. Waiting for this good old donut. I love this. This is cute. Depending on if it's like, no, you should have got your own. They look like them. It's mini donuts. But whatever, I'll share.
Taste like crazy for it like that.
Yeah, but I don't want to share my donut. But I want to share.
Understand you so selfish, honey.
I'm not selfish. Just like you got legs, arms, and feet, you can pay for this right here. Anyways, I don't share. Not to play. I do share, but you can pay for your own share. Y'all, I think I'm real cute with this eyeliner. Like, oh my gosh. The little wing. Y'all see the wing? It's faded because I'm a little hot, but I thought it was cute.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you. I want to do a look on what it looked like. This is called the Local Mini Donut Company. Can y'all see it? I'm sorry, it's ghetto, but okay. So yeah, all right, we can go. Ready? But I just wanted to really vlog and support at the same time. But vlog and support at the same time. Not fair. But yeah, so that's all I have for today's video. Don't forget, y'all, Father's Day is Monday, right? You said Sunday. Oh, why do I keep thinking I forgot it is Friday? I'm rushing the days. Yeah, so excuse me, don't forget that Father's Day is this Sunday. Make sure you get your father a card or whatever. Not necessarily card, but just make sure you give a phone call, text, whatever, message, package, something. But yeah, so I got my dad some. I just got him a card, and I hope he's not watching this video before Father's Day, but I got him a Father's Day card and a Red Lobster gift card, because I don't really know. I mean, nobody turns down a Red Lobster gift card. But even though I was gonna go overboard and get all of these restaurant cards, but I was like, relax, just get them a you know, just a regular card for now. And as time goes on, we can elevate to new heights. But thanks guys for tuning in for today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for new videos coming up. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I just said that, but do it. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in for another video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.